Hello guys, welcome to Sim 1 Techie. My name is Ultrasonic Pappy. Now guys, the most exciting thing is here. The next generational phone is here guys. I'm talking about the Samsung Galaxy S10. I'm excited. I'm sure you can feel the way I'm all fidgeting about it because I can't wait to lay my hands on them. Guys, I'm going to be talking about the features about this exciting phone because it's dope and it's of course massive. I'm going to start off with the next generation screen. The S10 goes beyond the average to introduce the cinematic and the infinite display for the first truly uninterrupted smartphone viewing experience, made possible by the precise laser cutting process. With the sea of the individual placed pixels, the S10 dynamic AMOLED screen produces the only HDR10 Plus viewing experience, drastically reducing the harmful light, making the brightest of scene easy on the eyes. The S10 delivers the first ultrasonic fingerprint sensor fused onto the display. It reads the unique characteristics of your finger. Simply tap on the screen, the S10 instantly launches, opening up a whole new One UI. Next generation performance. Always one step ahead. S10 processor preloads your favorites. Even the heaviest of apps open in an instant, so they don't have to slow you down. And because the day doesn't finish before you do, the S10 battery lasts all day. Thanks to the groundbreaking technology battery management, the S10 automatically manages your battery. S10 also introduces the PowerShare, giving you the power to share power with your phones and other wearables, even on the go or without a charger. From its generational smart screen to its wireless power share, the Samsung Galaxy S10 is a phone like no other, designed not to stand out, but is designed to stand apart. Having said all of this, I think the Samsung Galaxy S10 is going to make an amazing smartphone. Now, it's making me wonder what's going to happen to the iOS device. It's actually going to put them on the run. Now, let's go to other features that this amazing phone has. Now, we're talking about the next generation camera. The S10 redesigned the mobile camera with 5 pro-grade camera that lets you shoot like a pro without being a pro. 3 rare pro-grade camera where you can shoot with not just the telephoto and the wide lenses, but an epic ultra wide, while intelligently analyzing what you see to optimize color according to the subject. The front camera captures in new HD for new level of video recording. And for the first time ever in mobile, the S10 enables you to record professional grade HDR10 Plus video, resulting in greater colors and contrast, while the Super Steady helps you to shoot high motion video without motion sickness. Now, every shot is worth sharing. The Samsung Galaxy S10 is one phone that doesn't want to stand out. It actually wants to stand apart. And I think that's actually one thing that is amazing. Now, this one is going to be coming to Nigerian users by, let's say, March. So a lot of us have pre-ordered it. Some of us have, we've borrowed money, we've gathered money and all of those things. But I can't wait to share this awesome feature with you guys, and especially us that are going to be using this phone. So this is me telling you guys that my phone is on its way. So get ready guys, stay connected. Thank you so much guys for watching this. If you want to share this with a friend, please make sure you do that. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, of course, and follow us on all social media platforms at Sim1 TV. This has been Ultrasonic Pappy. Stay techy always. God bless you.